Very good morning to you all. I bring warm greeting from my Honorable Prime Minister and also my Minister, Honorable Praveen Bala. I'm indeed honored and humbled to be the chief guest on this specious occasion to officiate in the 2017 World Water Day celebration here in Levuka, Overlau. It is good to be here in the old capital and to meet with the wonderful people of Lamaiviti and of course Levuka. Thank you all for turning up in numbers and especially to all students that are here today. The World Water Day is a global event which enables all individuals together to celebrate and learn more about the significance of water in our lives. Water is essential for our livelihood and is substance and without it all living things ceases to grow. This year's United Nations has declared wastewater as the theme for 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, this theme is in support of United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, SDG 6. To be more precise, SDG 6 target 6.3 focus on the following: improving water quality by reducing pollution, having on proposal of untreated wastewater, and increasing recycling and safe reusage globally. Ladies and gentlemen, apart from the importance of providing access to safe and clean drinking water, government is also mindful that the management of wastewater also shares the same level of importance and should be managed together. Currently, approximately 78% of Fiji's total population has the access to treated and recirculated water supply. In themes to access to wastewater facilities, 25% of the total population has access to wastewater facilities. Government, as per its commitment to the SDG 6 and the 2013 Constitution, continues to undertake upgrade work on Fiji water and wastewater recirculation network to further extend coverage to nearby urban and peri-urban areas, and also ensure optional aspects are maintained according to the acceptable standard. Last week, in Parliament, the Honourable Minister for Infrastructure and Transport responded to the question on chemical waste being dumped into our sewer system. In response, the Honourable Minister highlighted the various work and plans the government has and in currently undertaking. Government, through Cabinet, has approved liquid trade waste policy. The policy complements the Water Promulgations 2007, the Environment Management Act 2005, and the Republic of Fiji National Integrated Waste Management Strategy 2016 to 2026. Government, in its 2016 and 2017 budget, is investing $37 million into the wastewater infrastructure in order to manage our wastewater problem to the manageable level. As mentioned earlier, the plan and work is currently underway to improve our wastewater infrastructure, extended our wastewater network to surrounding urban and peri-urban areas, and funding is being provided for research and development in low-cost, environmental-friendly technologies. Furthermore, policies, standards, and legislations have been formulated to control the discharge of wastewater into the environment. This is all for the benefit of protecting our environment, protecting all Fijians from the harmful effect of having untreated wastewater, and also providing our livelihood. Government is also partnering up with donor agency and investment bank to make this reality and further improve the livelihood of all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, wastewater is if not properly managed and if released into the environment without any treatment, will be a determined impact on land and the marine environment. Our food, water supplies, and also recreational areas for picnics, etc., will be affected. In turn, people will be at risk for contracting waterborne disease such as dysentery, typhoid, and polio. Recent study shows that globally, over 80% of the wastewater generated from the home, city, industries, and agriculture flow back into our ecosystem without being treated or reused. Furthermore, unsafe water, poor sanitation, and hygienic cause around 842,000 deaths each year. In Fiji, according to 2010 study by the World Health Organization, UNICEF, and the Secretariat of the Pacific Community, SPC, death due to diarrhea disease is 16 per 100,000 children under 5 years old. The non-treatment of wastewater, apart from climate change impacts, is one of the many causes of water scarcity and death in many regions, especially developing countries. Ladies and gentlemen, to ensure government is able to deliver on its commitment and promises, the help, assistance, and support of the public and you all is important. We are all urged to manage wastewater as our individual homes and premises to ensure that the environment is not destroyed. Proper sanitary facilities such as septic tank need to be properly installed. The excessive use of chemical and detergent in our home need to be minimized as much as possible. Cooking oil should also be properly disposed of. These are examples of many things we can do as individuals to improve our wastewater system. Ladies and gentlemen, our celebration today would not be possible without tremendous help and assistance of the few who been part of the standing committee, which was responsible for planning and eventually the running of today's event. I would like to thank each and every organization that have present here today for your unwavering support. Your participation and working in partnership with us means a lot to me and my ministry as well, to show that you have the Fijian people at heart by providing service in the isolated area in Fiji. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the school students, teachers, the wonderful people of Overlay for your presence today. To the Lavuka Public School Band, a big Vinaka level. Everyone here today, enjoy the celebration today, and I invite you to take good use of this opportunity to learn more about what is happening and how you can be assisted by the organizations that are present here today. At this juncture, I now declare the 2017 World Water Day open. Thank you, Vinaka level.
Maris Convent Kindergarten.
Hyper. Little bit of leaves. Well done. Well done. Easy fishing. Oh, well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done.
The water wastewater treatment facilities like Tulevuka,
Right.
although it doesn't exist here. This is a model of Kinoya, but it goes to the trickling filters, then to the secondary clarifiers, then to The final effluent into the environment.
How are you?
All the government departments.
This must be somewhere. I don't know. It's in
Access, improve and safe toilets. So our display today is about the safe toilet models that's been approved by the Department of Health. They're going to, this is seaweed. Particular type of blooming called levau, and we are going to demo soap made of seaweed, and